Hey you guys, I know you're probably like, dang girl, when are you gonna change that little intro because it don't look right? I'm working on it. But today I'm just doing a set with minimal talking, so I'll just be chipping in here and there just to like give commentary. But I just want you guys to enjoy the video, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe and thumbs up this video. So here I'm just doing some color blocking. You can definitely use the base color first and then just outline the smile line, but I figured I wanted it to be as clean as possible. I wanted it to be very controlled and know the thickness of the outline I was giving, so I did it first. By the way, this white that I'm using is from Bettles, and I absolutely love it. Like, I really did not expect it to give the girls pigment, but I'm actually capping because I love Bettles. I love their products. I honestly recommend them all the time because if you're looking for something cheap and affordable and in bulk, Bettles is your girl. So I definitely love this white.
Plug on the track, yeah.
This part, you don't gotta worry about being neat. The messier the better. I didn't put any more product on my brush, so I'm just using whatever product was already on the brush, and I'm just flicking my brush. part that usually gets crazy for me. I don't do 3D flowers. Like, I literally run away from 3D flowers. And not to mention, these are two-toned, which I've never done before, but they came out so cute. So you're gonna see me kind of like playing around with the acrylic, and the yellow I actually mixed myself a while ago. So I never use it because it does marble a little bit. She marbles, but she was giving what she needed to give for the sake of the flowers.
Plug on the track, yo.
I just peeked. Y'all can't actually see how I'm picking up the beads, so all I'm doing is dipping my 3D art brush into the monomer, and then I'm picking up the darkest color first. Actually, I'm lying. I'm picking up the lightest color first and then the darker color. So you would want to do this in the order of what you want to be shown first. I wanted the yellow to be on the outer part of the petal, so that's why I did that. That's how they came out, and at this point I was trying to figure out if I wanted to just stop here or continue, but of course I had to continue and be extra. I started doing the flower before I realized I wasn't recording, so you're just seeing basically where I left off at. And these flowers are super pretty and they're super easy to do. All you need is a dotting tool, and on the brush, as you can see, there's like no product. You're literally dragging the product from the dots that you made. Look how cute. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. Like, it's pink, it's cute, it's girly, and this is the end of the video. It's a wrap. Please make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, like and leave a comment. Let's interact or whatever. See you next time.